for us to install this huge investment, this huge infrastructure, requires that we sustain it for a long haul. And so one key aspect that has been done with support from Campbell Scientific was to undertake training of our staff, starting from the installation itself, making sure that our technicians, our staff are able to install, to set up this infrastructure, but also to maintain it for a long period of time, because we are talking about issues of sustainability, ensuring that we are able to have these stations operational for a long period of time. But we are also happy that Campbell continues to give us that support. Whenever we have challenges in the field, Campbell is there to conduct on-site training, but also remote support to make sure that our stations are operational.